made it out to the lake. I was casting around with this bluegill setup, and the wind was making it very difficult to cast accurately. So I switched over to a Senko and made a couple casts around this bank. Then I moved spots to this bridge, and on my first cast, I got a pretty bad backlash. I thought the ice was really cool on the other side of the lake, and this shot with the sun was pretty neat. I stopped on the way back to see this waterfall, and that was really cool. Thank you guys for watching.